So this is Suno Music AI. I've mentioned them before and they are a really great AI service for creating music with lyrics or instrumental. They've been going through a lot of recent development, they have a lot of updates, but I'm just going to give you an overview today. Firstly, it's very important to note that they do have a basic free plan which will do 10 songs per day. However, if you want to use these in any videos or in any presentations, you need to get on one of their subscription plans, which is either $96 a year or $10 a month for 500 songs per month. But this also comes with the general commercial terms that allow you to use these in all of the different methods that you may want to use them. So if you plan to use any type of distribution or to put this on any content that you're going to sell or even give to clients, you need to make sure you're on a commercial plan. That way you're not going to get hit with any legal issues. But if you are on a commercial plan, you do hold all of the licensing for this music, and we're not required to give credit to Suno, though they have said that they do appreciate the extra publicity. Coming back to these professional plans, this pricing is incredible. I don't know if you've looked for licensed music recently, but even things like Artlist.io come in at around $120 a year. So this is customized for whatever you specifically need, and it's only $96 a year if you do the 1-year plan. But that's enough about the background. Let's actually talk about the music. On their main page, they do have the global trending list for things that are the most recently produced and the most well-liked in the community, or you can just search and find all of the other songs that have been created in the different genres. If you have a specific creator, you can even follow their profile and find all of the music that they generate. But if you want to make your own music, come down to the Create tab. On the Create tab, you have a couple of options. This is their simplified version. You can put in generic song information and click Create, or you can swap over to Instrumental if you want something more in that style. However, if you want slightly more control, or you already have lyrics written, switch into Custom. And then in Custom, you can either input your own lyrics here, you can have it generate lyrics by typing in a specific prompt, you can include the different styles of music, and then you can give it a title. Here we have a generic song about how to build a computer, and we're going to select an acoustic cover style, but we're going to add with lots of bass. And then it will auto-generate a title, or you can give it one your own. Then you simply click Create, and 2 song variants will generate.
You start with a case, gotta find the place where the board fits in with a soft embrace. CPU snug in its time space, thermal paste for the chillin' race.
Alright, there we have a rapid tempo, kind of more folky song. And let's see the second variant.
You start with the case, gotta find the place. Your motherboard fits in with a soft embrace. CPU snug in its tiny space. Thermal paste for the chillin' race.
Alright, we're going to adjust this just to see what type of other songs we can get. And here we have those 2 options as well.
You start with the case, gotta find the place. Motherboard fits in with a soft embrace. CPU snug in its tiny space. Thermal paste for the chillin' race.
And the other variant.
You start with the case, gotta find the place. Motherboard fits in with a soft embrace. CPU snug in its tiny space. Thermal paste for the chillin' race. RAM sticks next like.
Alright, so here are 4 very different musical styles, all with the same script, all generated within the space of a few minutes. Now inside the interface, you'll notice that it still has not given us a finished time, and that's because it's still generating the rest of the song. After about 45 seconds, it will finish that timer, and you'll be able to see the full extent of that particular track. And then you have the option to extend this track, or if you click on the triple dots, you also have the option to extend, reuse the prompt, create a cover song, or you can click on Get Stems, which will separate the audio track from the lyrics. Also in this interface, you have the option to make this particular link public on the main dashboard. You can like or dislike this particular variant so that it can be trained to your preferences, and then you can share it externally. As far as your download options, you have MP3 and WAV audio files available, but you can also get a video which will give you the specific graphic that was created for this song, and it will give it to you in MP4 format. If you have a particular style of music you really want to use, you do have the option to upload or record your own audio, and it has to be between 6 and 120 seconds, but this can be a really great way to introduce some of your own audio into the mix. With this last variant, we're going to use one of those additional features under Create, and we're going to click Cover Song, which is one of their features in beta that I've never used before. So here we have the original version of the song.
You start with the case, gotta find a place. Motherboard fits in with the soft embrace. CPU snug in its tiny space. Thermal paste for the chilling race.
And here's the cover version.
You start with the case, gotta find the place. Motherboard fits in with the soft embrace. CPU snug in its tiny space. Thermal paste for the chilling race. RAM sticks next like.
And that's just an interesting way to mix up the different stylistic preferences while keeping with the same lyrics. They even just implemented this new section as of a couple days ago where you can replace specific sections of music within their online editor. Suno is just an incredibly versatile tool where you can try so many different things in so many different styles of music, and you can start the whole thing for free without having to pay at all. I highly recommend checking out their library and just exploring all the different types of music that they have available. You have the options to put together playlists, follow specific artists, or even generate your own music and have people listen to your stuff. I'll leave links to the different versions of these songs in the description, and I'll tack one onto the end of this video. Let me know what you think and how you plan to use Suno AI.
You start with the case, gotta find a place. Motherboard fits in with the soft embrace. CPU snug in its tiny space. Thermal paste for the chilling race. RAM sticks next like swords in a row. Click them in till they just can't go. Power supply, do you feel the flow? Cables tangled like a techno show. Build it up, build it strong. Bit by bit we sing this song. Wires twist where they belong. You and me, we can't go wrong. Hard drive slides like a secret note. Screw it in tight like your favorite coat. Graphic card next, you'll wanna gloat. Fans to cold as techie boat. Plug in the cords, feel the electric dance. Buttons click, lights up in a trance. Operating system, give it a chance. Watch it boot, just take a glance. Build it strong, bit by bit we sing this song. Wires twist where they belong. You and me, we can't go wrong. Hard drive slides like a secret note. Screw it in tight like your favorite coat. Graphic card next, you'll wanna gloat. Fans to cool this techie boat. Plug in the cords, feel the electric dance. Buttons click, lights up in a trance. Operating system, give it a chance. Watch it boot, just take a